Hello, everyone. I'm here with the local council. As part of our ongoing commitment to providing high-quality housing in the area, we're currently undertaking a major development project in this part of town. But before work begins on site, we're giving you the opportunity to take a look around and see what's here now. So come with me on a brief exploration of the history of this place, which has stood empty for almost 30 years. It's amazing to think that this imposing building was once a thriving school, but over the years it fell into disrepair and was eventually abandoned. As you can see, the site extends to over 7 acres, which is a valuable community resource that's currently underutilized. Our plans will transform the site into much-needed housing, which will help meet the needs of the local community. The main school building is a substantial 2-story brick structure with a basement and contains a large assembly hall, classrooms and offices. There's also a smaller single-story classroom building nearby, and you can imagine generations of children learning and playing here. I know many of you have fond memories of this place from when you were younger, and we've been working hard to incorporate these into our plans so that the new community can enjoy them too. We're committed to creating a high-quality development that meets the needs of the local community and provides much-needed housing. We want to create a development that's sympathetic to the existing school building and its surroundings. That's why we've taken steps to ensure that the character of the area isn't compromised by our development. The original school building will be retained and converted into apartments, and we'll be planting new trees and shrubs around the site to help integrate the development into its surroundings. We're also committed to providing affordable housing as part of this development. We believe that everyone should have access to safe, decent and affordable housing. So we're working hard to ensure that our development provides a range of housing options that meet the needs of the local community. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope that you've enjoyed this brief exploration of the history of this place as much as we have. If you have any questions or concerns about our development plans, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We're always happy to chat and see what we can do to address your concerns. You can also let us know what you think of our plans by leaving a comment below. We value your feedback, and we'll be sure to take it into account as we move forward with our plans. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.